Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your TV accepts HDMI and your adapter matches the source connector. Plug the adapter into the source device, then connect the HDMI cable to the adapter and TV input. This physically links signal paths. Once done, power any active adapter with its 5V supply so the converter electronics run. Make sure the source device is on. This forces handshake between devices and reduces detection delays, which avoids later picture issues. Next, switch your TV to the HDMI input you used, and then set the source resolution to a value the TV supports. If you're unsure, choose 720p or 1080p first to ensure a stable picture. On the source, enable audio output over HDMI so sound follows the video signal. This prevents mute or wrong output problems. If colors look off, change TV picture mode or color space on the source. Make these adjustments slowly, testing each change so you know what fixed any issue. To finish, play a short video to confirm both picture and sound are working. Inspect for lag, artifacts, or black bars and adjust scaling or overscan if needed. Tighten cable connections and route cables to prevent strain because loose or bent cables cause intermittent dropouts. If you see no signal, restart the TV and source to reinitiate the HDMI handshake. If that fails, swap to a different HDMI port or cable to isolate a faulty cable or port. This simple swap solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.